I love words too. Look at the pictures and let's say the letters and their sounds. J. A jacket. J for a jacket. J. J for a joker. A joker. J. J for a jeep. A jeep. K. K for a kangaroo. A kangaroo. K. K for a kit. A kit. K. K for a key. A key. L. L for a leaf. A leaf. L. L for a leather. A leather. L. L for a lock. A lock. M. M for a man. A man. M. M for a monkey. A monkey. M. M for moon. Moon. N. N for a nest. A nest. N. N for a nose. A nose. N. N for a nail. A nail. O. O for an orange. An orange. O. O for olives. Olives. O. O for one. One. P. P for a pigeon. A pigeon. P. P for a pen. A pen. P. P for a pot. A pot. Q. Q for a quilt. A quilt. Q. Q for a queen. A queen. Q. Q for a quill. A quill. R. R for a rhino. A rhino. R. R for a rabbit. A rabbit. R. R for a rocket. A rocket.